And 5 small businesses that take out an SBA loan end up struggling to make payments, and many owners are shocked to discover just how far-reaching the consequences can be. Missing a payment isn't just a minor hiccup. It can put your personal assets and future borrowing power on the line in ways most never expect. So, what really happens if you can't pay back your SBA loan? Can you just walk away? Or does the debt follow you like a shadow? Let's break it down. The moment you fall behind, your loan is marked as delinquent, not defaulted. This might sound like a small difference, but it's actually your window for action, because once default happens, the process speeds up. What's the first thing the lender will do when you're behind on payments? They'll reach out, send official notices, and demand payment. Ignoring these letters is a common mistake, but it only accelerates the problem. Instead, communicating openly with your lender can sometimes lead to modified payment arrangements. Think lower payments or a pause if you can show hardship